120 subscribers, but look, it's Saturday's nice day out here today. We in Waldorf, Maryland. ASMR folks, I got something for you today. I got a surprise. This is gonna get us to 1,000 subscribers. You understand me? Command steamers. Oh, I gotta change my hat. This is the Maryland crab. There's no introduction. I don't need an introduction. You guys know who I am. But watch this crunch. I got people out there who try to challenge me in vacuum crunch with their workhorse. And not mention no names, but watch this. You guys don't want to mess with me. I'm the #1, the best in the country. I'm the best in the world and the best in space. Watch this crunch and like and subscribe.
Oh my god, I'm back on the phone. Oh, that's it.
I already did a couple other dumps, but I didn't show you guys. I'm gonna try to get done this Saturday. You understand me? But look, you already guys know. You guys know the title of my channel. Nothing but 4 candles. Maxfield, I go past it. You understand me? The best on the internet. Look like a rat's nest. Any of you guys got pet rats out there? That rat's nest keep them warm.